Good afternoon. Okay. So, shall we start now?
Yeah. Yeah, first of all, good morning, sir. My name is Veer Chandra and my qualification is BTech. IMT College of Engineering, Greater Noida, and I have done BTech 2021 with Information Technology. And my and my experience is 10-month experience as Jansen Technology Pune as a software engineer. And my skills are Java, Spring Boot, SQL, JDBC, HavaNet, and ATC. And just like I have three done project in a OLX application, personal assistant, and bookstore. So this method this is more introduced.
Okay. So, basically, like, how much experience do you have?
Yeah, I have a 10-month experience.
10-month experience. In which technology you work?
Yeah, which was the last organization, Janssen Technology. Actually, we are working in a junior software engineer, but there is not specified profile ki you are Java developer, या Python developer, या .NET developer, या database developer. But after not getting any project, so then after layoff me, so I'm looking for job right now.
Okay. So, they have hired you, but they have not given any project. They have put
Yeah,
it
yeah,
on the bench only.
on the side by side, but there is not enrolled in proper ki you are working in this project, but there is no project in our my team. So I think maybe 40-member team, so there is a far only one member still. 39
Okay.
members is
Fine. So, finally, you are looking for the job, and
yeah,
how
yeah,
much experience do you like? 10-month experience you have, but not
yeah.
a specific technology.
Specific technology Java.
Okay. So you have decided you have to go on the Java, right?
Yeah, I have decided my goal is only Java developer, not in Node.js developer. So my focus only Java. So we are picking only Java.
So can you please tell me your 5 primary skills?
Primary skills 5.
Yeah.
First of all, Java, Spring Boot. Spring Boot is a framework basically SQL and Spring Boot SQL and HTML and HTML, CS and JavaScript. This is basic knowledge.
Okay. So you are familiar with the UI part also, right?
No, basic, not key advanced. You create the just like only template. Yeah. Just this one, not key or implement the design and drag and drop animation. Not.
Okay, fine. So as a 1 year experience, I have to ask the questions. So let me start with Java. Okay.
Yeah, it's so okay.
So if I ask you, you have to give or rate yourself 1 to 10, yourself in
Okay,
Java.
okay.
So how much you can rate
Okay.
yourself?
6, not K, 9, 10, 8, 6.
6 you can rate. Okay.
Yeah, right.
It's mostly 60%. It's good. Okay. So can I ask some questions related to Java?
Yeah, so
Okay. Tell me, let's start with OOPS. So
okay,
in
okay.
OOPS, what is the use of encapsulation?
Sir, encapsulation basically just a bit. Sir, encapsulation basically the data hiding sensitive by user through. So it's called the encapsulation. Just like we can, okay, this is my this is my school bag. So put the bag, put the copy pen and just like pen copy lunchbox. So this is an encapsulation. This is an encapsulation, sir. This is by user through command key, just like only this is by user through hiding data. So this is a main purpose encapsulation. They're wrapping the data, sir.
Okay.
Encapsulation. Yeah.
So if you want to create any class as a encapsulated, what are the process you have to follow?
Sir, encapsulation create the class just like we create the just imply class. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, imply class. So there are multiples. Just like only modify just private. Just like private ID cannot be so, and public is a name, public is a date of birth, and uh, public is a address, but we cannot show the ID. So this is user through. This is private keyword. Then after getting the uh, after after getting the user getter setter method, this is just yeah.
Yeah, fine.
Yeah.
So do you have idea about what is method overriding?
Yeah, sir. So of course,
Okay, tell me.
yeah. Yeah, first of all, so method overloading means multiple methods, same name, parameter same, but class is a different, can be extended and another class just. So this is a method overloading, sir. No, method overriding.
Okay, what is
It can be
overloading?
part, yeah, no, method overriding, sir.
Okay, so what is overloading?
Sir, overloading means so the multiple methods, same class and same name, but parameter is different. Just like you put the parameter int a comma b, फिर second method man जैसे method is same name, जैसे add second name add, फिर parameter different is a float 1 2, फिर second third one double. So this is a overloading.
Okay, correct. So can you tell me about what is the use of exception handling in Java?
Sir, basically exception handling can be used to the this just like exception the handle purpose. Just like this exception handling is a mechanism. Runtime errors such as SQL exception, arithmetic exception, out of bound exception. So this is a basically exception. जैसे we can create the exception handling program. So we can use the try catch and finally this is a method. So just like sir, we can handle the main purpose exception. So we can use the exception handling.
Okay, okay. So next, do you have an idea about Java 8 feature?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, what are the features are available in Java 8?
सर जावा एड फीचर जैसे lambda expression stream API static default method and date and API. This is a modified Java experience add feature and just like functional interface. This is Java add features.
What is the use of a stream?
Sir, stream is a basically succession of a element which is of a collection जैसे like which is a collection of a जैसे like list and array. But stream API perform the complex perform the complex working just like set filtering and mapping. So this like sir stream API, I think maybe filter the data and mapping just like if start with name A or start with name B, so we can use the filter map. So just as stream API.
Okay. So in a stream having a one map and you have a something called filter. So what is the difference between them?
Sir, difference between the just like filter. Sir, filter basically sir filter basically data the filter just like we start the name P. We start the name P as a particular P, Parveen, Prince, and just like Parvez, so we can start the name P. We can start the name only P name, not A, B, C, D, 4. So we use to the filter map, sir. Okay.
Okay.
And by basically filter map is a predicate function. And just like maps or map is I think one-to-one mapping, and we can issue the input to the single value. So this is a flare map, sir. A map can be used to the sir define key and value pair, just like that we can data structure just like.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So next is like, what is the use of lambda expression and how we can use it in our code?
Sir, lambda expression is a synonym function. Basically, this is a return type without return type name. This is just this is a short coding purpose. Lambda expression can be used to that. Not कि just like before we write the class function, just by the put the just like return the हाँ सर जैसे XYZ data only जैसे create the class put the जैसे system in front and cross A plus B minus 1 तो only single line put the lambda expression. So this is only short purpose lambda expression.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So next is like, do you have idea about what is the use of concurrent hash map?
No.
Any difference between you know about hash map or concurrent hash map?
No, actually I know hash map, not concurrent hash map, sir.
Okay, good. Do you know singleton class? How we can create our own singleton class?
Sir, singleton class basically singleton class basically Java special in a method. And the singleton class is a design the pattern only one create the object class, not the multiple, just like not multiple the create the object. So this is singleton class.
Okay.
Yeah.
So singleton class will create only one object.
Yeah, right. Sir, only one object, not can be created the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sir. Only one create.
Okay. Let's move on to the Spring Boot. So in a Spring Boot, like what are the annotations you have used as of now?
Sir, annotation is a basically annotation is a interface.
So as of now, how much annotation you have used and what are those?
So basically, annotation can be used to the just like at the rate annotation, just like fetch the uh, just like sir fetch just like we create the class multiples controller just like controller and the service multiple there. So can we add the rate annotation to fetch the class in a fetch the class in a another package. So just like the main purpose we can use the annotation. I think.
Okay, so what are the annotation you have used?
Yeah, I don't know. You can.
Okay, so do you have idea about the REST controller, at the rate controller? What is the difference
Yeah,
between?
yeah, yeah, of course. Sir, REST controller, this is the first part controller. Sir, controller basically the map. Controller is basically the map model view of a object to make of a human readable. So this is controller. Or REST controller means होता है REST controller simply means return type the object, return type the object. हाँ सर रेस्ट कंट्रोल मीन्स व्हाट इज रेस्ट रेस्ट कंट्रोल मीन्स रेस्ट कंट्रोल मीन्स basically this is a written type of object directly of within the HTTP या JSON या XML file. So this is a sir REST controller.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, fine. So what are the HTTP methods are available?
HTTP is a hyper transfer protocol.
Yeah, GET method, POST method, those
Yeah,
methods.
yeah. Actually, yeah. This is a question. Yeah, sir, I know. So there are four methods just like get, post, put, and delete. First part get. Sir, get can be used a method. We can read the purpose. Yeah, we can read the purpose and put. Sir, put can be used to the put just post, read, update. Put can be used to the sir just like only uh, update and post can be used to the sir new create the API just like and delete can be used to the delete the method. This is your main purpose.
Okay, so in your Spring Boot application, you have to configure the database. What are the process we have to follow?
Can you again?
In your Spring Boot application, you have to
Okay.
configure any database. So what are the process you have to do to configure it?
Basically, just like we configure, so we can create the sir, we can use to the properties of a can we create the XML file? They can go to the properties. The properties are multiple. There is a auto update just like and connect to the MySQL database. Just like you put the MySQL database and MySQL database just like the feature the 1.5 8.5. Yeah, this one and can we connect the database? This is we can go to the for XML file. I think this is not explained proper this one.
Okay, fine. Next question is like, do you have idea about microservices?
No.
You don't know about it. Next is, are you able to create a CRUD operation or
The
CRUD
card
operation
yeah, card operation basically
in a
create.
Spring Boot? If I give you a chance to create a CRUD operation, are you able to create it?
Sir, I know, but I'm not sure that right now actually card operation. There is not a prepare as I think maybe few
Okay,
months. It is not.
okay.
So
So
you can write code, but there is not prepare comfort zones.
okay, fine. So do you have an idea about the JPA, JDBC template?
Sir, JPA Java consistency of ZBC I know, but JPA I think maybe not. JPA Java consistency I think maybe inbuilt the ZBC part maybe.
Yeah, it's a JDBC part only. Interacting with the database, we required JPA.
हाँ सर database ZBC Java stand for connectivity database and Java API to the can be used to the connect can be used to the and we used to the connect execute query to the database, just like JDBC driver, JDBC connector. This is a main work in a JDBC, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, and JPA, sir, maybe GP Java Christiancy, I think. Sir, I know, but there is not very well right now. So can you next month I explain fully? Okay, sir.
Yes, sure. Okay, let's go to the database. Do you have idea about database? What, how to create a table? What is truncate, delete, those things?
Yeah, sir. Actually, sir, there are four statements. जैसे SQL statements, sir, DDL, DML, and DDL, DML, DLK, or DLC. So there are four statements in SQL statement. We create the sir, we create the database just like we create the student name. So there are we create the student name. So as a requirement की fetch the as a requirement की we inform the. So we requirement is ID, just like ID. So ID is int the put the number 1 to 4. Well, 1 to 10. So there are 1 2 3 4 ID, just like, yeah, suppose we can put the ID with name and with number. So we can care. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
we just suppose, and just like the address, so we care to care, so we can put the value 225 around figure. City, this name employee ID. So we can create the IDs. So we can create the implement. But after create the data in MySQL database, so can you fetch the we create the multiple data just like vir name, XYZ name, Radha name, and just so we get the table just like.
which database you know?
Sorry, sir.
Which database you know?
Sir, MySQL.
Only MySQL.
Yeah.
Any NoSQL database?
No.
MongoDB?
Sir, MongoDB, I think they are not, I'm not sure, but they are normal basic MongoDB is not, but I, so day by day we prepare MySQL. But SQL is a query language, but MySQL is a database. So there is a, we are focusing on MySQL, not the other non-SQL MongoDB.
Okay, so what is join and what is the need of join in database?
Sir, basically need of joins, sir, basically James concept joins is a combine the row between their, joins is a combine the row between their two rows related of between them. So just like we can do just like A and B, just A column and B column. No, sorry, A table and B table ki fetch the data ki same is fetch the data just like A table is a 1 2 3 4 5, B table is a 1 2 3 4 5. So search the name ki A table is a Parveen, B table is a Parveen. So can we combine the incorrect with the joins? So this is a main purpose ki we joins the data ki fetch the matching the data. So this is a main work in a joins. There are four. Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. So do
Yeah,
you
so
have
there
a
are
hands-on experience on Java? Are you able to
sorry, sir.
write the code?
Can you again?
Do you have a hands-on experience on Java?
Yeah, so
Yeah, can you please share your screen? I'm going to give you one code
okay.
and open one ID which you prefer.
My screen visual.
Yeah. Okay. So do one thing. The code is like you have a one array.
Okay.
In that array, you have some even number and odd numbers. So you have to calculate sum of all the even numbers only. Write the code. You understood question?
Yes.
Take some data like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's it.
G.
From the array, I want only sum of even number. I don't want any other thing.
Even number only.
Yeah, even number sum only. Even number sum.
Wait, I try. Just wait. Yeah, just better.
Do you have any confusion?
हाँ बिल ये confusion just made कि हाँ लोग ठीक है अपने ये चीज
In if condition, you missed one thing, like if you give equal to 0, it will work. It will calculate the even number.
okay best.
But one more thing, I modulo division 2 you are doing. So in that place, might be you have to take the data from area 5.
This one this
Yeah.
okay okay. But this is same working.
So it's giving something different output.
Yeah. But there is even a time here the even is equal to even ARA just one.
Take some other compiler. Do you have local your ID so you can use it? You have given your println inside the loop. So if you give outside, it will give the correct answer. Right?
Right. Just this one na?
Hmm. You are printing every time.
Yeah, Mark. Thank you.
Okay. So make sure whenever you are writing a code, be careful
Okay, okay. Thank
in
you.
each and every line and do the practice. So it will help you more. Okay.
Okay, okay.
So
When will can you schedule the next Saturday? You are free?
yes, here we can discuss regarding that later. Okay. So this is the one questions which I have asked you. Can you explain me how it's working?
This one question.
Yeah.
Actually, sir, we can write the just like array. So we have to find the even number. So even number basically even number basically this 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is even number. So can we put the even to start this sum is equal to 0. So can we start with the 0? But after getting the loop, to loop this 1 to 1 से 10. तो can we use to the for loop जैसे string string जैसे just like अगर array जब मिला तो can we use to the length and just like string तो string can be used string AR length फिर after getting divided by 2 so can you find the divide by 2 even number always divided by 2 so just like 2 by 2 2 by 4 to 2 to 2 by 3 to 3 so 2 by 6 well 6 by 2 to 3 so this is one फिर after add the even number just like can we approach the even number can we approach the even number? Can we add the even number by for loop? So just after printing the numbers.
Okay. So what is the size of array right now?
The size right now basically 7 sir. Agar we can start the array 0.0 start array can be start the 0 start with 0. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 size. Agar we can not array 0 so 1 2 3 8 size, but we can start with the 0. So size is 0 7 sir.
Okay, so 0 to 7, it's a size.
Yeah, right.
Okay, so 0 to 7 is a index. Okay, fine.
Like this index is suppose.
Yeah. And you are multiplying the value even every time. Why? Like adding the every time even number to the area of I.
This one, na?
Yeah.
Sir, actually we can find the sir even number, not just like odd number. So just like if we divide by 2 to 1, but we cannot divide 2 divided by 3, so we cannot divide by, actually you can divide by 1, so 1.5, so this is a even, this is a odd number. So can you look again an element, just like check the 4. Okay, 4 is a odd even number, so can we say correct, this is this one. Okay, so this one 5, this one check, this is not good, so this is skip element again to other element, so this one is a for loop can be used to the even number.
Okay. In Java, we have a 2 keyword called break or continue. Do you have idea about it?
Yes, break and continue. I have an idea. Just like when
Break or
break
continue?
break keyword can be used to the break statement can be used to the complete outlook complete outlook. Yes, sir, break loop can be used to the basically complete. हाँ सर, break statement basically loop can be complete. फिर after put the break statement, just like there is a 1 to 50, 1 to 100, but we cannot find the 51, 52, 53. So we can use the statement break statement ki 1 to 50, not ki 51, 52, 53. Just like we can put the continue, to continue is everyone 1 to 10, 1 to 100. So this is break statement basically.
Okay.
Inner loop sir, and we can use the break statement outer loop sir, outer loop.
Okay. So finally, I have done from my side whatever the questions I have asked. You have given the answer.
No,
That is fine.
yeah sir. Yeah, actually I have one answer. Can you explain Hindi and English?
Do you have any questions?
No, question. This is my personal say yes, like tomorrow is my go. This is my final round is a director round. So how this post director round? This is the first time facing director round. So can you explain me director round, please?
Director round means if you are a fresher or 1 year experience, they will not ask that much questions. They will just ask what are the technology you know. Like, do you have are you comfortable on MySQL? Are you comfortable on a Spring Boot? How much you have written the code? That things only they will ask. They will not ask any coding, or they will not ask any something which you have to prove or something. Just they will ask, you know or not. If you know, tell me about it.
Okay, only on behavior checks, right?
Yeah, you can say.
So kind of conduct the just like Saturday, again Saturday. Okay.
Yeah, it's fine. So you have to just communicate well. Communicate well means whatever they will ask, tell him, yes, I know, and I have worked on it, and I have a good knowledge on it. And try to explain a little bit if they will agree.
Okay.
Okay, like they will ask, like, do you have idea about Jira? Do you have idea about Bitbucket, Git, Jenkins, pipeline? How
Yeah,
deployment will happen?
okay. I know Git. I know Git and GitHub. I know basic.
Okay, so just prepare once more times and go with that, and then you can go to the jump to the interview. Okay.
Okay.
Any other questions?
No.
So finally, you are good, but do some hands-on experience more on the array coding, string coding, logical coding, and also prepare
Okay.
for the collections.